Hi everyone, this is Lizzie and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. For today's video, we're going to open a box of happiness from a whitey friend. Ito yung channel niya, Mama Donna TV. Please do subscribe and support her channel. So Mama Donna is one of my friend in Whitey channel or Whitey world na napaka-supportive and malaki yung naitulong sa akin. So Mama Donna, thank you so much for all the help and for this surprise. So bago pa ako maiyak, let's open the box. So ito yung box na pinadala niya sa akin. So let's start opening. Wow, so cute yellow bird. I love yellow, Mama Donna. Thank you so much. You make me so happy. So gagamitin ko yun sa arrangement. So meron din, I think it is a glass coaster. Yung next na pinakita ko sa inyo. And then ito, wow, ang dami. Ang daming ducks. So I think it's may partner, may male and female. So gamitin din natin yun sa arrangement. And si Mama Donna ay may pabag sa atin. Thank you, Mama Donna. Thank you so much. Napaka-supportive mo na. Napakabait mo. May pa-surprise ka pa. More blessings to you, Mama Donna. Thank you so much sa lahat-lahat ng support na binibigay mo sa akin sa YT World. And hindi ko alam kung paano ko susuklian. Maybe making an arrangement for coming from this surprise will make you happy. Sana magustuhan mo. Hindi ko alam kung paano ako magpapasalamat or magsusukli sa'yo. Pero maraming salamat from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much, Mama Donna. So, ito yung pot na i-rearrange natin and at the same time, gagamitin natin yung mga figurines na ibinigay sa atin ni Mama Donna. Pero hindi lahat yung ducks kasi ang dami nun. So, we'll make use of it from time to time. Mama Donna, thank you so much. So, let's start. I'll be using this golo na kinat natin before. So, nagka-baby na siya. And then, yung two lovebirds na dalawa. And also, we're going to use some of the swan. Some of the swan. So, hindi ko pa alam kung ilan. Tingnan natin kung ilan yung makakasya for this pot. So, meron ditong Graptopetalum myrinae na dehydrated yung itsura niya. Pero stress in color, purple siya. Meron din tayong topsy-turvy. So, i-uproot muna natin yung mga nasa front side na succulent. And, para malinis natin yung soil at ma-check kung okay pa ba or healthy. So, very loose yung soil and healthy pa naman, wala ring ants. So, let's just add the golem at the back part ng arrangement. So, yung white thing na nakaharang dun sa likod is basag na paso siya or basag na clay pot. So, ginamit ko siyang pangharang dyan para ang effect niya mataas yung soil dyan. Tapos, naglagay ako ng harang na wooden branch para hindi gumuho yung lupa kasi mataas nga yung back part na yon. And then, ibalik natin yung mga Graptopetalum myrinae na dehydrated. Pero madali naman i-hydrate ang Graptopetalum myrinae. Basta, yung mga tinusok natin ngayon, hindi pa natin sila pwedeng diligan. So, after a week, tsaka ako sila didiligan. And then, siguro, i-vlog ko na lang ulit kung ano magiging tsura nila after ma-hydrate. So, hindi naman ganun sila kapangit tingnan, dehydrated, pero stress in color. Kasi that's one way of also stressing your succulent is not to water them. Pero naaampiyasan naman siya ng ulan dito sa pwesto niya. So, madali lang siyang i-hydrate. Mas mahirap kasing i-treat sa succulent sa mga overed water. Minsan kahit i-uproot muna, wala talaga. Mahirap silang safe. So, mas madaling gawa ng paraan pag dehydrated yung succulent mo kesa overwatered. So, let's continue with the arrangement. So, ibinalik ko lang yung purple delight na maliit and yung isang echeveria na hindi ko na ma-identify sa succulent ID dito sa may harap. And I will be using black sand as top dressing dito sa arrangement na to. So, wala pa talaga akong idea kung ano bang kalalabasan nitong arrangement na to. I want the arrangement to look beautiful and simple kasi nga special arrangement to as a sign of our friendship between me and Mama Donna. So, let's just continue putting black sand sa top or sa front side nung pot, and then I'll be putting back the orange white stone, and I'm going to put back also the bunny sa dating place niya kasi cute siyang tingnan doon, and then I will be adding this fairy as an ornament sa ating arrangement, and I will be putting small stones beside the orange white stone. So bala ko doon sa small circle na yon, maglalagay tayo ng blue crystal that will serve as a water, and then I'm adding more succulents on the back part of the arrangement. So, bukod kay Mama Donna, i-mention ko din si Ate Jo, Josephine Bauyon. Hello, Ate Jo. Si Ate Jo is one also of my YT friend na nakatulong din talaga ng malaki sa YT channel ko. So, thank you so much, Ate Jo and Mama Donna. And syempre, marami pang ibang nakatulong pero hindi ko kasi makikilala yung ibang kilala ko na ngayon sa YT channel o hindi dahil sa dalawang big person na nakatulong dito sa channel ko. Maraming salamat sa inyong dalawa. More blessings for you and your family and sa lahat ng kagroup ko sa TP Promote and also sa Plant Garden Group. Maraming salamat sa support na binigay niyo sa akin. So we're finally done. Let's have a final and closer look at the arrangement. Pamadonna, sana magustuhan mo. Enjoy watching! That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like my simple and beautiful arrangement for today. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and share my video to your family, friends, and relatives. Bye for now. God bless us all. See you on my next video. Bye!